We're gonna be using that purple power, and we're gonna be cleaning all this gunk off the cylinder heads. Got a lot of nasty gunk. You just want to scrub and pretty much take all the nasty gunk. Let the purple power do all the work and let it soak in. Just gonna clean the heads very good. Look at that. Look at that. Nasty gunk. We are cleaning the head, so we can go ahead and put some new springs, because I am putting a bigger cam on the Tahoe. So this is just the process. I figured we'll go ahead and clean the heads, make them look nice, the valve covers, and try to make the engine compartment look clean as possible. I am going with the Texas Speed Stage 3 cam. I will be using the regular stock manifolds. I'm not trying to make the Tahoe into a performance, because I am building a OBS single cab with the 6.0. I'd rather put more money into that one. I just figure this one is kind of a heavy vehicle. I figure I'll go ahead and just try to make it a little bit faster for the family car, your grocery getter. Check this out. You see how it's getting clean? Look at that. Just keep on scrubbing. It'll be easier if you just use a power washer. I don't have a power washer at the house, so I'm just working with what I got. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just scrub the entire cylinder heads, and I'll show you the after process once how I'm done scrubbing, see how clean it looks. So stay tuned. Check them out. That's how they came out. But I think you can do a better job if you were to use a power wash. So I might go to a car wash and go ahead and use the power wash and see how it comes out. But overall, I mean, it's looking pretty clean. Just for scrubbing, not even letting it soak. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this build that I'm doing. Next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and just put some springs on there for the upgraded cam.